we'll discuss about round robin algorithm. Round robin algorithm is only applicable for primitive version. So let's see how to do this. For round robin algorithm, you need to consider the time slice to take care of this time slice, and you need to just carry it on with specific algorithm. Let's see how to do this. 3 processes P1, P2 and P3 with estimated completion time 642 millisecond respectively enters this ready queue together in the order P1, P2, P3. Calculate the waiting time and turnaround time for each processes. Also calculate the average waiting time and average turnaround time using round robin algorithm with time slice 2 millisecond. This is the table for the question, which says process number P1, P2, P3, estimated completion time, that is burst time 6, 4 and 2, and arrival time for this processes is 0 because they have arrived together. Now how to carry this? Before that, let's construct a giant chart for this. What it says is time slice for 2 units, that is the process will run till 2 unit only. So 3 processes have arrived. We'll consider P1 first. These 3 processes have arrived together, so we'll consider the P1 first because no other option. P1 will run till time slice 2, that is P1 till time slice 2, 0 to 2, right? Okay. Now this P1 will have only 4 estimated completion time because 2 had already run. So P1, P2, P3, this is the order, and we have run P1 already. So but still it has 4 execution 4 burst time left, so it will stand in queue with P3 at last. Now you have to execute P2, so P2 will run till 2, right? Okay, so P2 will run till P2, right? Okay, it will also run till 2, that is 2 plus 2 will be 4. Now P2 has already run till 2, so 2 will be left and P2 will stand in queue with P1 at last, right? Okay, now you have P3, right? Okay, so let's execute P3 for time slice 2, right? Okay, let's do this. P3, and now it will run till 2 because the time slice is 2. It will run till 2. It will have 6, right? Okay, now see, P3 has 2 estimated completion time, that is the burst time of 2 unit. So 2 unit has already been executed, so P3 will be out of the queue. Okay, now again comes the P4, and P4 will run till 2 units again, right? Okay, P4 will run till 2 unit. Sorry, P1 will run till 2 unit, that is 8. Okay, Okay, now let's see. It will still have 2 units left, so it will stand in queue with P1 at last. Now you have P2, right? Now P2 will run till 2 unit. P2 till 2 unit till 10, and see, P2 will get over and it won't stand in queue, it will get over. Now we have P1 last, right? Okay, P1, it will run till 12. Now this is completed. Now let's see the calculations behind this. Before that, let's insert a table. 1 for process number, 1 for estimated completion time, 1 for arrival time, 1 for completion, waiting, and this much, right? Okay, now this is process number. Now you have P1, you have P2, you have P3, you have estimated completion time, that is 6, 4 and 2. You have arrival time 0, 0 and 0. Now let's see the completion time of each process, that is, let's see this from last. So for P1 you have 12, okay, for P2 you have 10, and for P3 you have 6. Now let's calculate the turnaround time. Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time, right? Okay, so 12, 10 and 6. Now what is the waiting time? Waiting time is TAT minus ECT, okay? So that is 12 minus 6, that is 6, 10 minus 4, that is 6, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. This is our waiting time. And now you have to let's delete this first. Okay, now you have to calculate the average turn around time, and that will be 12 plus 10 plus 6 divide by number of processes, that is 3, and this will be the answer. Calculate it, and for average waiting time it will be 6 plus 6 plus 4 divide by number of processes, that is 3. So this is the calculations for this. Hope you understand it. But before ending the lecture, I would like to say you that one important thing, that is, if the turnaround time for P1 was 3 unit, that is, if it has been like this, the estimated completion time of P1 was given to be 3 units. If it would have been given as 3 units, then how would we have done this? First we'll run this P1 for 2 units because the time slice will be 2. P2 will be run for 2 units, and P3, after when the turn of P1 comes, it will run till 7 only, because because the estimated completion time is 2, it has already run for 2 units and 1 is left. Okay, 1 is left, so we'll run only 1 unit in that case, because P1 has only 1 unit left. We won't consider time slice for that case. But if the time slice, that is the time slice is greater than the time slice is less than the ECT, then we'll consider the time slice. But if the time slice is greater than ECT, then we'll run the remaining period only. That is, for this case you'll run till 7 only for P1 and it will get end, right? Okay, hope you understand this, and thank you so much.